Hello, and welcome to this zTPFGI demonstration. In this demo, we'll look at zTPFGI's visual log. The visual log provides a way to capture events and screenshots of zTPFGI windows. We can specify in the zTPFGI options which events we would like to capture. Any events that we select to capture will be added to the visual log if visual logging is turned on. We can choose to capture ECB activity, trace output, error log output, as well as input and output from any of the numerous terminals. For this demonstration, let's just select everything. You can switch the visual log on by clicking the Visual Log button in the Analyze tab of the ribbon menu. Simply provide a name for the log and select whether or not to compress the log once you're done. Let's keep the default name and opt to compress. Now, we can carry on using zTPFGI. zTPFGI will capture and log any activities that we've specified that we would like captured. And we can come back here whenever we need to take snapshots of specific windows. As an example, let's run an ALC command and take a few steps through the ECB. Let's step through some macros and some instructions. If we want to, we can add some comments to the log. Now let's take a look at the visual log by clicking the Display button. The visual log is stored as XML and is viewed through a web browser. The default web browser starts up and the visual log displays. As you can see, the visual log records selected events in a visual way that is easy to peruse. Let's take a look at the events that have been recorded so far. Looking at the visual log, you can see that the events that we selected were recorded. There are entries for the ALC1 terminal input, ECB activity, trace output, and here's our comment. We can also take snapshots of zTPFGI windows to add to the visual log. Images are stored as a series of portable network graphic files and displayed inline within the log. Let's take a snapshot of a few windows now. If we open the Capture drop-down menu, we will see a gallery of windows that are available for capture. Let's capture the Projects window. zTPFGI opens up the window to the size specified in the Options dialog, takes a screen capture of the window, then restores the window to its original size and position. Let's now take snapshots of a couple more windows. And let's also run the ECB to completion. If we decide that we no longer want to capture events or screenshots to the visual log, we can click the Visual Log button again to close the log. There's no longer a current log to display, but we can browse the visual logs archive to view logs. Let's do that now. Notice that any logs that we requested to be compressed have been zipped up, while other logs are not zipped. Let's take a look at the log that we just created. We can see the XML, HTML, and image files that make up the log. We can open the log by opening the HTML file. If we scroll past the entries that we've looked at so far, we can see the snapshots, followed by the ALC terminal output, an ECB exited message, and another message telling us that the visual log has been closed. Thanks for watching this demonstration of the visual log in zTPFGI. To find out more, please watch some of our other demos that are available, take a look at our brochure, or contact us for further information.